Bonjour tout le monde. I hope you're doing well. I'm a bit sore because I shoveled all that snow yesterday, but that's okay. I'll make it. We're going to go through our next set of vocabulary today. First, we have our verb commander. Commander, it's a regular ER verb, and commander means to order. So it's what we use when we talk about ordering something out of a catalog off of the internet, or in this case, at a restaurant or cafe. So some of this is review because we learned a lot of it in our food and drink lessons in first year. So to call the waiter over, we say, s'il vous plaît, monsieur, tout le monde. S'il vous plaît, monsieur. S'il vous plaît, mademoiselle. They'll come over and say, vous désirez? There are other things that they can say, but vous désirez is one of the more common ones. Then you say, je voudrais un croque-monsieur. Always say, je voudrais. Tout le monde, je voudrais un croque-monsieur. I would like a grilled ham and cheese sandwich, and there's usually cheese on the outside as well. Et comme boisson, tout le monde, et comme boisson. Et comme boisson means and to drink. And what would you like to drink? Then you say, donnez-moi un café, s'il vous plaît. Tout le monde, donnez-moi un café, s'il te plaît. I'm sorry, no. Donnez-moi un café, s'il vous plaît. And remember, when you use donner, you have to use vous. And we're being polite here. So, donnez-moi un café, s'il vous plaît. Pour payer, in order to pay. Payer is our verb to pay. Tout le monde répétez, payer. To ask for the bill, you say l'addition, s'il vous plaît. Tout le monde, l'addition, s'il vous plaît. And you might ask them, le service est compris? Tout le monde, est-ce que le service est compris? And le service is a tip, and compris means included. Now, why would you ask if the tip is included? Well, here at the Flash d'Information, they tell us, most French bills come with a tip already included, and that's called le service. And that goes for everyone who had something to do with serving you, the person who washes the plates, the person who orders the food. It goes for everyone. If you have a really good waiter or waitress, you leave something just for them on the table, and that's called a pourboire. Tout le monde, un pourboire. And a pourboire, it says souvent, souvent les gens laissent quelques pièces de monnaie comme pourboire supplémentaire. Very often people leave some small pieces of money, some coins, as a supplementary pourboire. When they say small change, they mean small change, like 5 or 10 cents. For us as Americans, that is not acceptable. That's extremely low. But for a French tip, that's perfectly fine. Of course, since I am American, I usually tip 1 or 2 francs, and so the waiters always know when I come back, and they're like, ooh, that's my customer. So, let's look at some food we might have au café. Tout le monde répétez, au café. We have un plat. Un plat. They say un plat is a dish. It's not talking about a bowl or a plate. No. When you bring a covered dish, you're bringing a bowl of food or a plate of food. So that's what they mean here. It's food that we're talking about. Something prepared. Tout le monde répétez. Some of this is known to us. The things in bold are new to us. Tout le monde, un croissant. Un croque-monsieur. That's a grilled ham and cheese sandwich. It's very delicious. Tout le monde, un sandwich. Un sandwich au saucisson. Un sandwich au fromage. Un sandwich au jambon. And steak frites should be over here, but it's a boo-boo, but un steak frite. Now, for dessert, we might have, tout le monde, un dessert. Un yaourt. Plain yogurt is un yaourt nature. Strawberry yogurt, un yaourt à la fraise. A drink is une boisson. And here we have un café. Un chocolat. Un thé. Un thé glacé. This is new to us. Un thé glacé, iced tea. Just a note here, we're used to the term glace, une glace, but notice that's spelled G-L-A-C-E. This is spelled G-L-A-C-E accent aigu. That means that E is pronounced glacé. If you say un thé glace, you're talking about tea-flavored ice cream. Is that really what you want to be served? Un thé glacé. And then tout le monde, un soda. We can have une omelette, tout le monde, une omelette. Une omelette nature. Une omelette aux champignons. Champignons or mushrooms. Une pizza aux anchois. Une pizza aux anchois. Anchois or anchovies. And then we have une salade verte. Une salade de tomate. Here we have une glace au chocolat. Une glace à la vanille. And then our last two drinks, une limonade and une eau minérale. I just realized we looked at this list incorrectly. Notice for your dishes, masculine is on the left, feminine is on the right. Desserts, masculine is on the left, feminine on the right. Drinks, masculine is on the left, feminine is on the right. That might help you remember what the genders are. Using those words, I would like for you to do activity 3, just one activity today. You have to write out a question asking for each of these items. So if we want a cup of coffee, we say, s'il vous plaît, comma, je voudrais un café. They use an exclamation point here. You should use an exclamation point in your answer as well. Remember to use your accent marks. Thé glacé, you have an accent aigu on thé, accent aigu on glacé. Make sure you spell things correctly. Champignon, C-H-A-M-P-I-G-N-O-N. Number 9 is a tomato salad. Gross. And number 6, that is your croque monsieur. Everything else you should be able to figure out. So just activity 3. Again, stay warm, stay safe. Hopefully I'll see you Thursday. Who knows?